So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically create Google Business Profile post from Facebook page. Let's say you own a Facebook page and also you have created a business profile on Google for your business. Now you want that whenever a new photo, a new image is posted or shared from your Facebook page, you want to add that same image in your Google Business Profile as well. But the manual process of posting the same image onto different platforms can be tedious and time consuming. So let me tell you how you can automate this process. So in this automation, as a new photo will be posted on our Facebook page, automatically the same photo, the same image will be uploaded in our Google Business Profile as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. Now I want that whenever a new photo, a new image is posted on my Facebook page, I want to add that same image in my Google Business Profiles Photos section as well. Now to do this, we have to connect our Facebook page with our Google Business Profile. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after coming to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow. For that, just click on this Create Workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Facebook Pages to Google Business Profile. You can basically give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this automation and click on Create. Now as you click on Create, here you can see the automation workflow will open in front of us. And in this workflow, you can see we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever a new photo, a new image will be posted on our Facebook page, automatically the details of the same post and the image will be received inside Pabbly Connect. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we want to send the same image and upload it in our Google Business Profile as well. So let's see how it is done. Here in our trigger window, in Choose App, search for Facebook Pages and just select it. After selecting Facebook Pages, in Trigger Event from the drop-down, select the trigger event as New Post. Now after selecting the trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. And here we have to connect our Facebook Pages account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Facebook Pages button. Then after that, here in this pop-up window, select your Facebook account and click on Continue. And as you click on Continue, you will see, because we have already logged into a Facebook profile, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and make the connection over here. After making the connection, the only thing it asks us is the Facebook page. And here in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the pages which we have created in our Facebook profile. Out of all of this, the Facebook page from which we want to capture the new post is named as Stitching and Embroidery Business. So from this drop-down, I'm going to select the same Facebook page over here. After selecting the Facebook page, what we have to do, we just have to click on this Save and Send Test Request button. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, you can see it has now changed to Waiting for Webhook Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get the response of a new post from our Facebook page. Now to capture this response, what we have to do, we'll go back to our Facebook page and we have to share a post over here. I'll just switch my profile to my Facebook Pages profile over here and then I'm going to post an image over here. Let's click on this photo and video. Let's select the photo from my system. Let's say, for example, I have this particular image and I'm going to write a caption over here. So I have already copied my caption. Let me enter it over here. New designs coming soon. We have been working on some new designs and now we are ready to show them to you. And this is the picture which I'm posting. Let's click on post. And as I click on post, here you can see that a new image is posted on our Facebook page. Now after posting this image on our Facebook page, because we have connected our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same post. Here we have the from ID, that which user has posted this image. Here we have the name of our Facebook page, and here we have the image URL, the link of the image as well. We will just open this URL in a new tab, and here you can see it is the exact same image which we have posted just now. Then after that, in front of message, you can see the same caption which we have entered just now. We have the unique post ID, we have the timestamp, that at what date and time this image was posted, and we have this response of item as well. So using this trigger, it is going to capture all type of post, whether it can be a text post, an image post, or video post. And here in response, we have received that what kind of post details or what kind of post response we have captured over here. So we have captured the response of a post with a photo. And we have some other details as well. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully captured the new post details from our Facebook page inside Pabbly Connect. Now after this, what we have to do, as I told you that using this trigger of new post, we are going to capture all kind of post, whether it is a text post, an image post, or a video post. But using this automation, we only want to add the photos or the images which are posted on our Facebook page in our Google business profile. So what we have to do, we have to set up a filter condition in this automation workflow in the next step, where we are going to set up a filter on this response of res1 item, and we are going to set up a filter in such a way that if we get the response of item as photo, only in that case this automation workflow will continue further, and we are going to add that same photo from our Facebook page to our Google business profile. If we share a post with some text or some video on our Facebook page, then using this automation, those content will not be added using this automation in our Google business profile. So to add this kind of filter condition, just scroll down, come to this actions tab, and here in choose app, select filter Pabbly over here. After selecting filter Pabbly, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as filter values and click on connect. Now after clicking on connect, it is going to ask us to select the label. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from our Facebook page of a new post. Out of all of these responses, select this response, select this label of res1 item. The filter type will be equals to, and the value will be photo over here. That if we get the response as photo over here for item, only in that case, this automation workflow will continue further. Then after that, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response, where we get the response as the condition is true. Because we have captured the response of a photo post from our Facebook page, that's why it is showing us the condition is true. So we have successfully added this filter condition as well. Now let's move to the final step and add the same photo in our Google business profile too. For that, just click on this Add Action Step button, and then here in Choose App, search for Google Business Profile. Just select it. After selecting Google Business Profile, in action event from the drop-down, we have to select the action event as Upload Media Photo. Now, if you want to upload the videos from your Facebook page to your Google Business Profile, in that case, you can use this action of Upload Media Videos and set up the filter condition according to that as well. But right now, I'm going to select this Upload Media Photo as the action event. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Business Profile account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Sign Up with Google Business Profile button, Sign with Google button. Select your Google Business Profile, then just scroll down and click on Continue. And as we click on Continue, you will see our Google Business Profile will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, here under account, you can see it is showing us the same business account over here. And here you can see in my account, I have created two different locations. So for which particular location we want to upload this photo, upload this picture. So I have this location named as Parampara, for which I want to upload these images. So I'm selecting that. Then it is asking us for the source URL. That what is the source URL? URL of the image which we want to add over here. So in the trigger step responses, we have received the response of the image as well. So we have the response of image URL, which we have posted on our Facebook page. So here from this trigger step responses, we have to add this response of image URL, image link to this Google Business Profile action step. And we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from previous two steps. Out of all of this, from this responses of a Facebook page new post from link, just select this response of link and it will be mapped over here. So this is the link of the same image which we have posted on our Facebook page. Every time we are going to post a new image on our Facebook page, the link of that same image will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and using this automation, we are going to add the same image in our Google business profile. At last, it is asking us association category. So in this drop down, you can see different categories in which you can associate these images which we are adding. So out of all of this, like cover, logo, profile, exterior, I'm going to select the category as additional over here to all the images which I'm adding to my Google business profile using this automation. And after entering all the details and selecting the category, just click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you can see we are going to receive some response over here. And the response is received. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the image URL which we have mapped over here, basically the image which we have posted on our Facebook page, is now posted or uploaded in our Google business profile as well. So let's check it. We will just go to a Google business profile. I'll go to the photos section. We will just scroll down. And yes, here you can see this is the exact same image which was uploaded on our Facebook page, and this image is now being uploaded on our Google business profile. Here you can see the status is pending because the upload might be in process, but this image is now automatically added on our Google business profile as well. This means the automation workflow which we have created between Facebook pages and Google business profile, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. For that, we'll just go to our Facebook page and we are going to create a new post over here. So let's upload a new image over here. So I'll just upload an image from my system over here. I've added the image. Let me add a caption as, for example, we are testing this automation. This is the caption which I'm adding, but you can basically add any caption of your choice. After adding the caption and adding the image, let's click on post. And as we click on post, this image will be posted on our Facebook page. And we will see as this image posting is completed on our Facebook page, automatically, instantly within few seconds, the same image will be added in our Google business profile as well. So we'll just refresh our Google business profile page once, and after refreshing this page, once again we'll go to photos section. So we'll just scroll down to this photos section. And yes, here you can see the same image which we have posted on Facebook just now, the same image is added in our Google business profile. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, we have tested this automation in real time and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.